Hello developers, if you are using VS Code, you know the beauty of extensions in VS Code. But there are some extensions that you should immediately remove. Why? Let's see in this video. So if you are working with programming languages that contains lots of curly braces and bracket pairs, in my case I am using this Flutter project, and here you can see there are many curly braces pairs, many bracket pairs. In that case you most probably are using this extension called bracket pair colorizer 2, but now this extension is depreciated, and you will ask why this was so popular extension with over 5 million plus downloads and 4.5 plus ratings. So why this extension is depreciated and now what to do? But as you can see, I haven't installed this package. I have already uninstalled this package, yet I am able to get this nice bracket pair colors in my code. So how? So let's see how we can do this. If you are using this extension, then immediately uninstall, because now you don't need to install this extension separately, because now this is a inbuilt feature in the VS Code itself. So only you need to open your VS Code setting and add 2 lines of code there, and after that it will work perfectly fine. You can get the documentation here as well. You can see in your settings.json file you have to add these 2 lines. So how? Let's see. Just copy these 2 lines and go open your setting. You can also directly open from here, settings, and here if you want to open the JSON setting, then click on this file icon, and now it will open the JSON setting. And here you can see this is a complete JSON file, and here anywhere either on the top or at the end you can add these 2 lines that I have already added. So just paste it and save it, and you will be ready with your new bracket pair colorizer feature that is inbuilt in your VS Code. But for that you need to use the latest VS Code. Don't complain me if you are using the older version of VS Code. For this you need to use the latest VS Code. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting, and make sure to like and subscribe.